I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is strange how some Muslims have adopted an attitude whereby they use reliance on Allah, the Exalted, as an excuse to be lazy on those matters which contradict their desires. For example, when these Muslims are told to gain and act on Islamic knowledge so that they correctly obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, they boldly reply that Allah, the Exalted, is all-merciful and all-forgiving, so they hope He will forgive them, even if they do not strive in His obedience. Even though Allah, the Exalted, is all-merciful and all-forgiving, He has set a system in this universe which requires one to act if they desire to achieve success. In addition, if they are so certain on the divine attributes of mercy and forgiveness, why do they fail to show the same level of reliance on His divine attribute of being the provider? Meaning, the one who has allocated the provision to the entire creation over 50,000 years before He created the heavens and the earth. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. Why do they not relax at home without claiming benefits or earning through a job in order to obtain their provision, and simply rely on Allah, the Exalted, to provide for them the same way they rely on His forgiveness without striving for it? This cherry-picking attitude proves their laziness and real incorrect intention. They do not rely on Allah, the Exalted, at all. This attitude must change before one's time comes, so that they instead actively obey Allah, the Exalted, and rely internally on His forgiveness and mercy. Only then will a Muslim achieve true success in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.